If you manufacture building equipment, getting customers to design your product into their building information model is a proven way to help increase sales. But due to the dramatically different approaches mechanical CAD and BIM software take toward modeling, it requires more than just a file export. With Autodesk Inventor, you have access to a complete set of tools specifically created to help you prepare BIM-ready content, simplifying how you exchange data with your customers. The first consideration is reducing the complexity of the model to just what is needed to properly represent your product in the building design. This not only protects your intellectual property, but it also reduces the file size, so it does not negatively impact the performance of the building information model. The selection tool inside Inventor makes it simple to choose which components best represent the size and connection points to your product. And the Define Envelope command further simplifies the model into basic shapes that can be understood by Autodesk Revit. To help resolve the different approaches each discipline takes toward defining and displaying geometry, you can isolate features inside Inventor that would not be recognized by Revit and further simplify them by removing fine details or filling voids so that you can be sure your product will be accurately represented. Adding further detail to the model, you can define the system connection points and properties that you want available to your customer inside Revit. Just specify the location of pipe, electrical, duct, and conduit connection points, and define the properties of each connection, such as system type, flow direction, voltages, power supply requirements, and more, giving your customers all the information they need to design the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing connections to your product. The file is exported from Inventor as a native Revit family, so it can be directly imported into the building information model. Once in Revit, you can snap to the connection points as pipe and conduit runs are designed, and all the metadata of the overall product and connection points is visible to the building designer. With Autodesk Inventor, you have access to a complete toolset that makes the task of exchanging data between modeling systems simple. You protect your intellectual property and increase sales, all while making it easier for your customers to finish the design of their product.